Welcome back to Kids Learning with Fun. Please like, share, and subscribe. Peter patter raindrops, Peter patter raindrops, falling from the sky, falling from the sky. Here is my umbrella, here is my umbrella to keep me dry. When the rain is over, when the rain is over, and the sun begins to glow, and the sun begins to glow, little flowers start to bud, little flowers start to bud, and grow and grow and grow.